What's good? We back with another video.
And today we are going to be reacting to vending machines out of this world.
But before we start this video, make sure you guys smash that like button. Become a part of the K&K family by subscribing to the channel. And if you haven't already, turn on post notification. Be notified when we drop that.
Hey,
let's get it.
You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go.
today we are going to be reacting to unique vending machines all across. Yeah, they're very unique.
Like how unique?
Like out of this world unique. If you were to make your own vending machine, what would it be?
It'd be a vending machine with a whole bunch of Twix. And
they
like
have stuff like that.
No, so whenever look, so where it's open, so whenever it drops it, it's like you can eat it and you ain't gotta open up the wrapper.
Okay.
Okay.
Me personally, I would want a vending machine with tacos.
What?
Yeah.
Oh,
a vending machine,
but
and
like,
I could just pick like, okay, I want this, this, and this. And if I had that like in my house, oh my god, I would be eating tacos every single day. So the first vending machine I found online was a pizza vending machine.
Wow, pizza vending machine. Hold up. So does it come already done and everything?
Yep, freshly baked.
Oh, what?
Whatever toppings you want on it.
What? Oh.
But it's located in Italy, so not in America.
What?
Unfortunately, we would have to fly to Italy and, you know, get our pizza straight out the little vending machine. But wouldn't it be amazing if we were to have like our own little pizza vending machine here at the house?
Bruh, if I had my own pizza vending machine, it'd be pineapple, pepperoni all day, every day. Just
Okay.
extra crispy.
Okay,
extra
now,
crispy.
what other kind of foods do you think you would want in a vending machine?
Hot dog vending machine. I need a hot dog vending machine.
You know there is
a meatloaf vending machine.
A burrito box vending machine. That is another cool vending machine I found online. And guess where it's located?
Upper Mexico.
No.
What?
No.
What? Okay.
It's located.
So where in South America?
No. It's located in Hollywood at a gas station.
Bro, we gotta go.
Yep. It's here. It's here in California. Yes.
So somebody
random
came up with a vending machine.
Yeah, you know how they have the red box?
Yeah.
They have the burrito box. So you get to pick your own burrito.
I wonder how much money does that vending machine really make?
You never know.
I don't know.
Making money.
I'm pretty sure it'd make more money if it was in Mexico.
Nah, I don't think so.
You don't think so? Nah. Yeah, you don't know what? Because I want fresh tortillas. If I'm in Mexico, I want fresh tacos.
Yep, okay.
I want somebody's grandma's grandma to make it. That's it.
Okay.
We gotta go to Walla's house, alright?
So, the next vending machine I found.
Okay.
This was a little, this is a treasure vending machine located in Dubai at the Dubai Mall.
Sound rich.
And it's called Gold to Go.
Gold to Go.
You can turn it's pretty much an ATM that spits out 24 karat gold coins, gold jewelry, gold anything.
They got security on that thing.
Oh, they have security guards all over this thing. They do.
For real?
This is a real deal, Holyfield, you know, gold to go.
Okay, gold to go. Okay, They got shooters on that thing ready to go.
If you're ever in Dubai, hit up the little, vending machine.
Okay,
you might
if you
get
ever
a little
hard time, if you got some collateral, dump it in the vending machine. Just go to go.
The next vending machine that
What's
I found.
What's next?
You know, after you eat, you might, have a little sweet tooth.
Oh, I want some dessert. I want some dessert. Yeah.
There is a Sprinkles cupcake.
What?
ATM.
What? A cupcake? Oh my God,
This is pretty much a vending machine, and they have these located across the country. They have them in LA.
Well, bro, I'm going.
Vegas.
What?
And I believe they have one in New York too.
Cupcakes.
So you go up there and they have freshly baked cupcakes.
How is this not a national monument? Like, how does everybody not know about this?
Anytime, any time of the day, any time of the night.
What?
You could go get your little fresh little cupcake in a box.
My God, bro, I'll give me like a vanilla cupcake with some like Ooh, with some vanilla icing on there. Oh my god.
Too bomb.
Ooh,
That's me.
Sprinkles.
I need one of those
Sprinkles.
in this house.
Oh
I would be having a
We would
cupcake.
both be 300
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Definitely, definitely. Let's get it. What's next?
There is also a crab vending machine.
That's wow.
If you wanted to eat
That's
some crab,
wow.
don't you like crab?
I bet. Hey, guess what it smell like?
Crab.
I don't know if I want it. I don't know.
Now this crab vending machine, they have fresh crabs.
Where's
It's
it
located in China at a subway station. Isn't that weird?
That is kind of weird.
It's like what?
Crab on the way home.
Yeah, it's like,
You
ooh,
want some crab
imagine
too?
how that subway station smells like. Very crabby.
Crabby.
Crabby. Next vending machine,
What's
you
next?
know, if
Freak
you
me
want to
out,
get a
freak me
little
out.
lit, you
Ooh,
know,
we get a
you
little
want to
lit.
celebrate, you know, toast it up, cheer it up.
okay.
There is a champagne.
What?
Vending
Man,
machine.
oh, so we're gonna be getting bottles. We're gonna be getting bottles.
Some
Okay,
of the
okay.
Moet and some, I don't even
Man,
know.
is it expensive though?
You never know. I don't know.
Something like this seemed to me like it might be overpriced.
We would have to go to London to find out.
What?
Yeah,
London?
this vending machine is located in London and they pretty much give you a miniature bottle of champagne. Now, if you want to go the extra mile and get a little bit more litty, you know, you want to go fly high to the sky, you know.
Where we going?
There is a vending machine for medical marijuana.
Whoa!
So, you know, you don't have to go to the shop, get it delivered. You could just straight walk up to the vending machine and pick your strain, boy. Pick your strain.
Where is this located?
Now, this is only located in Seattle.
Wow.
So, you would have to go to Seattle.
We need it here in Cali.
And
bring it to Cali. We need it here in Cali.
I mean,
we need it here
they
in Cali.
pretty much shut down all the shops. They might as well
God. That's the only
put
vending
one
machine.
down her.
That's the only vending machine that she has mentioned so far that I need in my house.
Yeah.
That's the, oh my God, I could just go to that one and be like, you know, I'm tired. Let me get D5. You know what I mean? Oh, you know what? My back hurt. C7. You know, like, come on. I need it. I need it. That'd be dope though.
Yeah.
That'd be super dope.
I wouldn't mind it. Okay, next
Okay.
is.
What's next?
What
Show
do
me,
you
freak
think?
me
What
out.
do you think?
I don't know. A new car. A new car.
No, unfortunately, no cars can fit in the vending machine.
I'm just saying you get the keys.
The keys could probably fit in the vending machine, but no.
Okay.
The next one is a vending machine located in Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania, okay.
At a university.
Okay.
I believe it's called Shippensburg.
Shippensburg.
They have a Plan B morning pill vending machine. So at this university, they have a vending machine where girls can pay $25 and they get a morning after pill, which I thought was a great idea. And they have pregnancy tests available at this machine, and they have condoms available at these vending machines.
Damn.
Don't you think this was a really good idea for university students, college students? I think it's awesome.
The good idea would be to post up right outside that vending machine and look everybody in the face who came and used that vending machine and be like, how was your night last night? Okay? It's a lot of women over there having a little too much fun.
Okay.
Okay, God
Alright.
damn. Oh, that's where I need to be at. That's exactly where I need to be at.
Okay.
Take me there. Take me to Pennsylvania.
Alright,
You know what I'm saying?
now let's get back
No, go back. I need to go back to Pennsylvania. You know, take me to Pennsylvania. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if you were to go hit up a 7-Eleven, what kind of vending machine would you expect to see?
Ooh, like a straight up vending machine with nothing but Reese's in there.
Okay.
That's it. Reese's, that's it.
Chocolate? Okay.
Okay.
If I was to walk into a 7-Eleven, I would probably see a slushy machine, but 7-Eleven also has mashed potatoes vending machine. So you can literally...
This can't be in the United States though.
It's at 7-Eleven.
No,
certain, not all 7-Elevens.
Mashed, is it mushy?
It's pretty much mushy. It's like potato mixing powder with water. So I don't recommend
potatoes.
it. I wouldn't recommend it, but I mean, hey, it's a vending machine with mashed potatoes. So if you're craving, you know, some gravy on top, you could.
But how many different choices can you really choose from to where you would need a vending
I
machine.
mean, some people love mashed potatoes so much that
I don't like mashed potatoes enough to get it from
I
a
need
vending
a
machine.
little snack.
I don't like mashed potatoes.
Okay, how about this one? This one is located in Russia. I don't know if you want to go to Russia. Yeah, Russia. They got the French fry vending machine.
I gotta go to Russia. Look, oh my God, is it McDonald's French fries or Burger King?
I don't know. It's a vending
I
machine.
don't mind
French
Burger King,
fries.
but I'd rather have McDonald's. But
yeah, I would rather have McDonald's. But this vending machine, at any given moment, if you see it, 90 seconds, boom, they give you a to-go cup with French fries and ketchup on the side.
I'm not gonna lie.
I won't say nothing.
And it makes
Those
money
type of potatoes, you know. So
yeah, exactly.
those type of potatoes are a little better than my man.
I ain't gonna lie. I like the French fry one. I like the French fry one. Look, out of all the ones that you done mentioned, besides the cannabis one, I'm gonna need the French fry one in my house.
I'm gonna need the cupcake one in my house.
No,
cupcake one, hands down, needs to go in. I got a spot for it in the kitchen. I got a spot for it.
Oh my God.
And it's gonna be stocked up with chocolate cupcakes all day, every day.
Okay.
All night.
Okay. And I'm gonna have one stocked up with nothing but cannabis and French fries all day, all night. Feel me? I'm gonna be stuffing my face with some French fries. So. Come on, you know, it's a win-win situation.
Well, you guys comment down below. Let us know which one was your favorite.
Yeah,
we thought this was a cool little video to share with you guys. Oh, all these crazy vending machines. I think some of them definitely need to come to the America, to the United States. Right now, lad, we late.
Exactly. And if you had the choice to pick your own vending machine, what would you do it? How would you do it? Yeah. Okay, let us know. Also, let us know the price of everything that everything would be inside your vending machine. Well, look, you just gotta pick one choice on the vending machine and then let us know what the price of everything would be. That'd be dope. Let us know down there in the comment section below, you guys. Also, you got anything else you want to say?
Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. We are trying to reach 50,000 subscribers and we are on the road. Come on, let's do it.
Road to 50K! Share the video, you guys. The Life of KK, you guys.